At AlphaJetSynergy, we believe trading should never feel like jumping into the cockpit with every button flashing at once. Before every strong flight, there is a plan. The route is checked. The instruments are ready. The conditions are reviewed. Nothing is left to pure hope. That is how we think about trading too. Check the instruments. Every trader needs instruments they can trust. Live data. AI-powered insights. Clear market signals. Tools that help users understand what is happening before they act. At AlphaJetSynergy, we built our platform to make the trading environment easier to read. Not louder. Not more dramatic. Just clearer. Because a dashboard is only useful when it helps you make better decisions. A good route depends on the destination. Some users are learning the basics. Some are refining a strategy. Some want deeper analytics, faster execution, or a cleaner way to manage opportunities. That is why AlphaJetSynergy supports flexible layouts, guided learning, expert help, and access to thousands of active markets. With 1.5 plus trades processed, 35 plus payment options, and 3,000 plus active markets, we give users room to build their own route. The climb is where preparation matters. When markets move quickly, hesitation can get expensive. AlphaJetSynergy supports fast execution, tight spreads from 0.0 pips, and real-time alerts designed to help users act with more precision. And when funds need to move, withdrawals are built for speed, security, and clear verification. No turbulence for the sake of drama. At AlphaJetSynergy, we do not believe trading should be a blind leap. It should feel planned, measured, guided by useful data, supported by tools that make the route clearer. Before takeoff, check the plan. During the flight, trust the instruments. After the move, stay in control. That is AlphaJetSynergy.